let's imagine a situation where you and I, can you give me remote control for a second?
Sure. Do I need to? Oh, so I was gonna check out. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think you need to check out. So, okay, so now, now we should be on. Come on.
It's on the other side. Hold on. Only grab it. It's on the other side. There it is.
Okay, so, oh, my stuff isn't there. Fixed physics.
Come on, fixed physics shooting up arrows. It's right there.
My stuff isn't there because did you get fetch? I mean.
No, I didn't. I just like checked out.
Yeah, so you need to fetch. That's gonna update.
I know I need to fetch.
He's
in audio control, so I got. There it is.
Yeah, you see. So now the tracking branch got updated. You see, this is the tracking branch. This isn't your local one. I mean, this is a branch on your computer, but it's supposed to represent the remote. Okay, so that one is updated. Now we have to update your local one by fetching the tracking branch. So you see, we're going to fetch this one and push it into this one by checking this checkbox. Make sense?
Yeah.
So, well, actually, let me show you something. So, do you can you move it?
Yeah, it's on the other side. It's on the other screen. Hey, it's on the other screen. I can't. You can stop fighting the mouse. Stop.
Okay, so I want to stress this concept. So, do you see where your local master is? And
yeah.
do you see where the remote branch, the tracking branch is? This is, if it has these slashes, it's a tracking branch. Okay, so both of these branches exist now on your computer, except one is supposed to represent your local master, and the other one is supposed to represent the remote master branch. Okay, so we need to push your master branch to pull the update from the, well, we need to update the local branch to fetch this commit from the tracking branch. Okay, so the git pull does this for you automatically, but that's because git fetch is a git pull is a git fetch followed by a git checkout. So that means that because you don't have a git pull in this GUI, you have to do a git fetch followed by a git checkout. So you're not going to check out the local branch, and you're just going to check this check there, and then you check out.
Fetch the tracking batch.
So how should this look?
Got it.
Here, think a little bit about it.
I got it. You can't see it though.
So what has? I guess it's not being tracked. F git GUI. Let's just git pull this. I mean,
I know. Or git bash. You can open git bash from git GUI. Wow, you're like, I refuse to open git bash from git GUI. You just go.
So just wait a second. I need to try to figure out if I can actually update it for the GUI, because this is really beginning to annoy me. Like, I did ask you to fetch it, but I can't see the tracking branch through. So I don't see.
What about checking out the tracking branch?
Yeah, this is a bug.
But that was bad, right?
Oh, yeah. It's a bug in git GUI. So
maybe, I mean, oh hey, it's great. So you can't see it in GUI. Come on, grab that.
Yeah. So the way to do this manually, instead of typing in git pull.
Yeah, I know I do that. I just didn't know what git pull exactly was.
So the way to do this manually,
checkout and no, it's a fetch and
followed, but what I think is a git merge remote/origin/master. You see? So this is actually a git pull, these two commands together.
Okay. How about that?
Remote. Let's try without the remote.
Not something we can merge.
See? So now if I git
files
log,
changed.
this got fast forwarded, which means that it did not add another comment. It didn't need to. It just copied the comment because the history is clean like this between branches. Anyway, the point is, this is what git pull actually does. When you do a git pull, and it's tracking, so yeah, already up to date. So when you do a git pull, it's actually a git fetch followed by a git merge. So what git fetch does is it updates this branch here, origin master, right? That's called a tracking branch. That's what git fetch does. It updates all branches actually on the remote. And now we're going to pull whatever commits are in origin/master, and we're going to merge it into your local master. And we already did that, so it's already up to date. You see, it's actually the merge that's giving this already up to date from the git pull. Anyway, I'm just explaining how it works, I guess. And let's now. I have spent too much time on this, so let's just continue into you trying the arrow if you have some time. The bow string thing. So just open it in your.
Okay, got it. Oh, lordy lords. Okay, duck goosies to it.